Hello guys, in this video, I will show you 10 free image generator, Midjourney alternatives. Number 1. Leonardo.ai. You can use this platform for free for now. Number 2. Bluewillow.ai. You can use all the features on this platform for free for now. Number 3. Stable Diffusion. You can use this platform forever free. Number 4. Crayon.com. You can use to generate unlimited images on this platform. Number 5. Instantrick.io. You can use to generate unlimited images on this platform. Number 6. Playground.com. You can create 1000 images per day for free on this platform. Number 7. Photo.com. You have 200 credits to image you generate for free on this platform. Number 8. Lexica.art. You can generate 100 image per month for free on this platform. Number 9. Jasper.ai. You can generate 200 images for free in 5 days on this platform. Number 10. Supermachine.art. You can generate amazing images on this platform. Thanks for watching, and the link from the site mentioned in the video, please check the description below.